What's up, guys? This is going to be a part in the middle of another video. I got a package today that I didn't expect to get. I thought I was going to get it tomorrow, but I had this come in today. We just finished uploading the project car video. This coil is in for that bike, and this should be the gaskets for the project bike. So let's jump right into it. All right, so we got the wrapping off there. Look at all that crap. Nice. Got a bunch of gaskets. That company right there. What I thought was funny is this came from Canada, out of all places. These also aren't labeled. This is going to be interesting. Huh. Anyways, here's all the gaskets for the motor, engine on the bike, which will be able to stop the oil leak that we are having from the crankcase on the left side, which will be super nice. That is the last thing that I need to get this bike running. I think it's leaking a little gas out of the carburetor, but that's just tightening a couple screws. So we'll just jump back to present time. This bike is not the easiest thing to move around. The back brakes are locked up on it, so to hammer out that thing. I'm gonna drain the oil right now. I honestly don't know how much oil is left in it. So if we walk over here, little trail going. And that all came out of the bike. So I honestly have no idea how much is left. So we're going to just take that off. We're gonna take the crankcase covers off. We're gonna start replacing those gaskets right now. So let's just jump into it. So I may have found one reason why it was leaking pretty bad. We're gonna take this socket here, go up underneath here. I haven't loosened anything. This is hand tight. That's probably why I was leaking a bunch of oil out. That's nice. You get to do something there, bud? Alright, well, let's keep on going. That's not a lot of oil. If you work on cars or bikes, this is your worst nightmare. Stripped, 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 stripped. I haven't touched a single bolt yet. Except for that one. I got that one off. But come on, really? This is ridiculous. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron, and I really don't know what I'm doing today. We're just gonna try to figure it out from here. I don't have anything coming for the car right now. The buggy is supposed to be getting parts. We'll just leave it at that. The bike, Amazon Prime is crap, first off. I was supposed to get parts on Tuesday, which is Thursday. Parts haven't showed up yet. They're saying maybe next week. So I guess what we're gonna try to do today is we're gonna try to get this bike running. I have a new coil for it, like I've shown in the past video. That'll go there, spark plugs. Hopefully get a spark. So we're gonna try to get this bike running. Yeah, plan. All right, first things first, bolt here, gonna take them out. They are a 5/16. All right, coil is out. There it is, let's go. Connection there, connection there, for those two. And let's go grab the new one. I really hope this works. Okay, got the new spark plug, boo, on there, sweet. Took the old one off that. There are two spacers that go along with the bolts. I made the mistake and didn't realize they were there. Don't lose those. Let's get this installed in the bike. Perks of getting a project bike for someone else. Put the coil on, wired everything back up right. There's no spark. Negative down there. Awesome. We'll get back to that in a minute. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna try to finish the body work for the gas tank for the cafe project. I have, it's kind of rough right there. There's a dent here still. This one's getting pretty good. This one's really good. This one's really good. This one needs a little more work. So we're gonna get right into that. It's about to get messy. Okay, so all the Bondo is on the bike now. It is all dry, kind of. It's a little tacky, but I'm hoping this is my last coat of Bondo and then we can start to prime it. I'm ready to get this tank painted and put back on the bike. I have parts coming. I can't tell you what they are. It's gonna be sick. This is my least favorite part. I hate doing body work, so the sooner I can get this done, the better. So we're gonna get into sanding and hopefully prime it today. Okay, so I mixed one more thing of Bondo. There was one dent that I really didn't like the outcome of. I'm hoping this is the final one. Everything else looks great though. One more and we get to prime it. We're so close. Little bike, you're almost together again. You just need all your gaskets replaced and your gas tank put on and your new parts and to run. It's acceptable. It's time for primer, not paint. Primer, it's time for primer. Oh, I got my camera real dirty with all my fingerprints. But we're gonna find a box, because it's crappy weather outside, it's kind of windy. And we're gonna paint it in the garage. Sandpaper's flying everywhere. Find a box, paint it in the garage. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so the tank is now primed. Problems that I am facing is there are so many imperfections in this tank. You cannot see it on camera. If I get real close there, maybe. There's so many imperfections on this tank that they're showing up through the primer and they're not fixable. They're rust spots and that kind of stuff. So what I guess I'm going to do is figure something out. It's possibly, I could wrap it. Use a thicker paint, maybe? I don't know. But we're gonna figure it out today. That's gonna be all. We got body work done. It's straight-ish. And it should be ready for paint once I sand down the primer. So thank you guys for tuning in to the part 1 of this build. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.